In today's fast-paced world, having a car isn't just about convenience, it's also a fantastic way to generate extra income. When I first started exploring ways to make money with my car, I was astounded by the number of opportunities available. From ride-sharing to food delivery, the potential to boost my income using my vehicle seemed limitless. In this video, I'll share my personal journey and provide insights on how you, too, can make money with your car. Ride-sharing services. My experience with Uber and Lyft. Ride-sharing has become one of the most popular ways to earn money with a car. When I first signed up as a driver for Uber and Lyft, I was a bit apprehensive. However, the process was straightforward, and within a few days, I was ready to hit the road. My earnings, on average, I earned around $25 to $30 per hour, depending on the time of day and location. Peak hours, such as Friday and Saturday nights, were particularly lucrative. I found that driving in areas with high demand, like downtown during events or near airports, significantly boosted my earnings. Tips for success: know your city, familiarize yourself with the busiest areas and peak times. Customer service: a friendly attitude and a clean car can lead to higher ratings and more tips. Safety: always prioritize your safety and follow local regulations. Food delivery: turning spare time into cash with DoorDash and Uber Eats. After gaining confidence with ride sharing, I decided to explore food delivery services. I signed up with DoorDash and Uber Eats, which allowed me to work flexible hours and fit deliveries into my schedule seamlessly. My earnings: food delivery earnings varied but averaged about $15 to $20 per hour. The tips were often generous, especially during lunch and dinner hours. One of my most memorable experiences was delivering a large order to a corporate office, which resulted in a $50 tip. Tips for success: timing is key. Focus on meal times for higher demand and better tips. Efficiency: plan your routes to minimize driving time and maximize deliveries. Customer interaction: a polite and prompt delivery can lead to better tips and repeat customers. Renting out my car: the Turo and get around experience. Renting out my car was an avenue I hadn't initially considered. However, after learning about platforms like Turo and GetAround, I decided to give it a try. This option was particularly appealing when I didn't need my car for a few days. My earnings: renting out my car brought in an average of $30 to $50 per day. On one occasion, during a local festival, I rented out my car for 3 days and made $200. It was an easy way to make money without any effort on my part. Tips for success: maintenance: keep your car well maintained and clean to attract more renters. Pricing: set competitive prices by researching similar listings in your area. Communication: be responsive and clear in your communication with renters. Advertising on my car: earning passive income with Rapify. Another interesting way I discovered to make money was by turning my car into a mobile billboard. Companies like Rapify pay drivers to wrap their cars with advertisements. It was a unique way to earn passive income without changing my routine. My earnings: the income from car advertising varied depending on the campaign, but I typically earned around $200 to $400 per month. The installation process was simple, and the ads didn't damage my car. Tips for success: location matters. Living in or driving through high traffic areas increases the chances of being selected for campaigns. Commitment: be prepared to commit to driving a certain number of miles per month. Professional wraps: ensure the company uses professional installers to avoid damage to your vehicle. Carpooling: monetizing my daily commute with BlaBlaCar. Carpooling services like BlaBlaCar allowed me to monetize my daily commute by offering rides to others heading in the same direction. It was a fantastic way to reduce my fuel costs and meet new people. My earnings: while the earnings from carpooling weren't as high as other methods, I managed to cover a significant portion of my fuel expenses. I earned around $10 to $15 per ride, which added up over time. Tips for success: consistency. Offer rides regularly to build a steady group of passengers. Safety first. Verify passengers through the platform and maintain open communication. Comfort. Ensure your car is comfortable and clean to attract more riders. Car hauling. Transporting goods with Trucker Path and Citizen Shipper. Exploring more niche opportunities, I ventured into car hauling, transporting goods for businesses and individuals. Platforms like Trucker Path and Citizen Shipper connected me with clients needing transportation services. My earnings: car hauling was more demanding but also more lucrative. Depending on the job, I earned between $50 to $150 per trip. One memorable job involved transporting antique furniture, which paid exceptionally well. Tips for success: proper equipment. Invest in the necessary equipment, like straps and blankets, to secure the goods. Insurance: ensure you have the right insurance coverage for transporting valuable items. Reliability: build a reputation for being reliable and punctual to attract repeat business. Mystery shopping: evaluating services with Market Force. Combining my love for driving and exploring new places, I signed up as a mystery shopper with companies like Market Force. This allowed me to evaluate services at various locations and get reimbursed for my travel expenses. My earnings: while mystery shopping didn't pay a lot directly, the reimbursements for meals, fuel, and other expenses added up. On average, I earned about $10 to $20 per assignment, plus the cost of the service being evaluated. Tips for success: attention to detail. Pay close attention to the evaluation criteria to ensure accurate reports. Timeliness: complete assignments promptly and submit reports on time. Variety: choose a variety of assignments to keep the experience interesting and profitable. Mobile car washing: offering convenience with Spiffy and Mobile Wash. Turning my car into a mobile car wash business was another creative way to generate income. Services like Spiffy and Mobile Wash allowed me to offer car washing and detailing services at customers' locations. My earnings: the earnings from mobile car washing were impressive. I charged around $30 to $50 per wash, depending on the level of service. On weekends, I often had multiple appointments lined up, making it a profitable side hustle. Tips for success: quality products. Use high-quality cleaning products to deliver excellent results. Marketing: promote your services through social media and word of mouth. Professionalism: maintain a professional appearance and provide exceptional customer service. Flea market flipping: using my car to source and sell items. Flea market flipping involved finding undervalued items at flea markets, garage sales, and thrift stores, and then reselling them for a profit. My car became essential for transporting items and making these trips efficient. My earnings varied widely depending on the items I found, but I averaged around $200 to $300 per month. One of my best flips was a vintage lamp I bought for $10 and sold for $150 online. Tips for success: research. Learn to identify valuable items and trends in the market. Negotiation: hone your negotiation skills to get the best deals. Platforms: use online platforms like eBay and Facebook Marketplace to reach a wider audience. Roadside assistance: helping others with AA and honk. Finally, I discovered that providing roadside assistance services could be a rewarding way to make money with my car. Partnering with companies like AAA and Honk allowed me to offer services like jump starts, tire changes, and fuel delivery. My earnings from roadside assistance varied based on the service provided, but I typically earned around $50 to $100 per call. It was fulfilling to help others in need while earning extra income. Tips for success: training. Get proper training to handle various roadside emergencies. Equipment. Carry the necessary tools and supplies in your car. Availability. Being available during peak times, such as weekends and holidays, can increase your earning potential. Making money with my car has been a transformative experience, offering both financial benefits and the flexibility to work on my terms. From ride-sharing and food delivery to car rentals and advertising, the opportunities are diverse and plentiful. By exploring different avenues and finding what works best for you, it's possible to turn your car into a valuable income-generating asset. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a full-fledged side hustle, your car can be the key to unlocking new financial opportunities. So, buckle up and start your journey towards financial freedom today.